everyone, I'm Vijaya Lakshmi. Today I'm excited to demo about LinkedIn Connection Catalyst, an AI engine that creates hyper-personalized LinkedIn outreach using 7 breakthrough innovations to 5x response rates. So our on-screen is, what problem it solves? So most LinkedIn outreach fails because it is a generic. This agent solves that by analyzing profiles, predicting response timing, generating multi-touch sequences and crafting deeply personalized messages. So our LinkedIn connection catalyst is low response rates, 2 generic messages, no timing optimization, no follow-up strategy. It solves all these problems. So here is the user interface where we input details like LinkedIn URL, prospect name, our value proposition and messaging preferences. So let's test our case. So first our LinkedIn profile. And the prospect name of a LinkedIn profile, and my name as a full stack developer, and my company name. So it's video development, and I was outreach goal for ask for advice and mentorship, and your value propositions like 1 to 10. I give us some example. So we help SaaS companies to return, and prospect data profile data. So it's optional, so we don't give that. And my preferring message style is professional and formal. So I want the advanced option. So check all that apply. So I have to check all these apply. So what are the options and what it does? So let's check for it. So basically when I click generate the AI rules, all innovation engines, profile intelligence, message personalization, timing optimization, follow-up sequence, generation and response predictions. So basically primary connection request. So let's go for the go button. Okay, now we got the LinkedIn connection catalyst. So analyze for Harish Rajendran. So on screen, so this is our main connection request. So primary connection request. So hi Harish, I am Vijaya Lakshmi, I'm full stack developer at Zudio. So these are the connections requests, and my character count is up to 300 limit. So I got like 214. So an authenticity score is 82 out of 100. Why this works? It also gives that point. So direct, respectful, ask for mentorship. So it's actually the connection request is for mentorship. So that's why. So clearly says sender identity and relevant value and all. So it also shows an authority score also. So next one is AI and optimal timing. So best send time and the response likelihood and backup window, and also it gives an A/B test variant. So basically, so the two variants, one is direct, so like the message was giving. So I am Vijaya Lakshmi and full stack developer Zudio. We help SaaS teams cut churn via predictive analytics, and the score is also given. So best for senior decision makers and use when you want a concise outcome focus. These and all also given by our agent. So next one is balance. So the balanced output is here. So best for directors, managers and professionals, open to consultative exchange. And the C for relationship first. So I have to build the relationship for someone. So relationship oriented professionals. And also next we have got a 7 touch follow up sequence. So first one is what we have to he accepts and what you have to give that message for. So it's like for a get accepted message, which means immediate response. So connection acceptance and permissions to message about a mentorship. And next one is so start conversation with a question. So our goal is illustrate a short opinionated response. And next one is a provide a value without asking. So build credibility and offer tangible value relevant to mentorship. And next one is public engagement. And next for soft pitch, so following up. And next is social proof. So if a helpful appear at a mid market SaaS, we support 40% fewer at risk cohorts and like that. And a final clear CTA, which means I know you're busy. So if now isn't a fit, I understand. If it is, would you open to 50 minutes call and all? So goal, so yes or no, a short mentorship and all. So next one is a conversation status. So based on interest in predictive analytics, SaaS terms. So these are the messages based on mentorship request. These are the messages, and why it works also it's given, and based on offering value. Next one is a response prediction. So the response probability and the confidence low. So what are the positive indicators and what are the risk factors and the recommendation how we have to give that, and the time optimization and all. So key insights also are given. So these is my LinkedIn connection request. So this is a LinkedIn connection request, an AI powered outreach engine that turns cold LinkedIn messaging into a meaningful personalized conversation with 5x higher response rates. So this project is built to scale for recruiters, founders, freelancers, sales teams and job seekers. Thank you for watching our demo.